All right, so we're here at Clark Rosenstengel's body shop, which is not open to the public. You can't bring your shit in, all right? Okay guys, so we're back here with the Draggin Wagon. We got this thing almost ready to go. We got it pulled out of the shop here. And what we're doing is we're getting this ready to go to the frame rack so that we can see if the front rails are twisted or if they aren't. But we're going to get it all checked over to make sure that this thing is good to go, because we don't want to have any more fitment issues like trying to put the engine in and it's just not lining up. Okay, so we're going to get that dialed in. And we may even do a motor plate on it or whatnot just to tie everything together. But we're going to take it over to Mr. Clark Rosenstengel, to the Rosenstengel body farm, and get this thing all checked out. It's sitting down on the ground. We got some skinny tires from the front, got some decent tires on the rear. Well, the same stock tires that were on there. Firestone drag radials. We don't know how old they are, so we might probably have to change them. We're gonna. But we've got all kinds of stuff in here. We've got pretty much everything disassembled that we need to disassemble on it, and it's pretty much ready to go. So let's get this thing loaded out there and take it over to the Rosenstengel body farm. All right, so we're here at Clark Rosenstengel's body shop, which is not open to the public. You can't bring your shit in, all right? It's only,
don't even try.
It's only by appointment
Only.
and it takes 6 years to get in, so forget it.
Or you'll be leaving in that.
Oh.
Exactly.
So, wasn't sure about the frame, whether it's the corners up or down or anything like that. And the motor went in and it didn't line up just right. So we brought the car over here because Clark's got a ton of experience in this stuff. So we're gonna leave it here with Clark. He's got a shop that he plays around in. It's only his now. So don't even think. I mean,
Don't call me.
You'll get shot. So, yep. We're gonna pick it up here whenever and continue on. But it's going to give our baby some tender love and care.
Might get done in 6 years.
You already told me we need 2 new tires.
Yes.